In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to feature your property on the House Explorer website. Before you proceed, ensure you've completed the following steps. 1. Completed your agent or realtor profile. 2. Funded your account. 3. Verified your identity, that is your KYC. 4. Listed your properties. And lastly, property verification. This is optional but is highly recommended. To begin, log into your House Explorer account and click on My Properties from the left panel of your dashboard. From the listed properties, check the eye icon to view the property and then proceed by clicking the Feature Property button. Provide the necessary details and then proceed with payment. Once the payment is successful, you receive a confirmation and your property will be showcased on the Featured Property page. And that's it. You've successfully featured your property on the House Explorer website.